So if you guys would like to see how to make these, just stand by. This is rose gold and regular gold. So yeah, if you guys want to see how to make them, pretty simple, just stand by. So what you'll need for this is going to be some borax, clear glue, 2 types of Borax. This one is dual red blue, which in certain lighting you can see a little bit of blue in it, and then just red, just kind of pink, and then some gold. This is brilliant gold. This is what they are. Brilliant gold. I'll just have it up here so it could be easier. That's that. Some water. I have a cup of water in here. I have 2 mixing bowls because I'm going to be making rose gold and regular gold. And I need a little piece of paper and something to mix the 2 colors together, and I'm going to do it here. But yeah, let's get started. So what I'm going to be doing first is going to mix the borax into the water so it could have some time to dissolve while we mix the other colors later. I'm just going to take a teaspoon of borax into a cup of water. Set it aside and let it do its thing, and then we'll mix it when we're ready for it. So I'm going to be separating half of the bottle into the 2 containers. It is kind of empty already because I used it for another project, but I'm just gonna do half of that for each. What you also want to do is add maybe a little bit of water in here, shake it up so you could use all the glue that's in there. So I'm gonna be doing that. I have a little bit of water in this little thing that I have in my desk, so I'm gonna use that. See, they back up, good shake. Going to be mixing the 2 Borax colors. I'll mix it on this little paper. I'm taking the duo red and blue one first. That much gold, pinkish. Some gold. And I'm just going to mix and see how much of which one I need, but let's see how it turns out. So at this point, I could see that it will need more gold, so I'm going to take more gold. It is starting to look a little rose goldish. I feel like I might need a little bit more of the red. A little bit. Okay, now it's looking way better. Can't really tell here, but it looks very rose gold now. So started with these 2 colors. It ended to this. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and mix some of it in. I'm at about half. I forgot to mention, well, that's optional too. If you want, you could use your hands or some popsicle sticks or something. I'm gonna use some popsicle sticks. Maybe I'm gonna switch to my hand, but just to mix now. Gonna see how this goes. I think I will need a little bit more, so I'm gonna just add a little bit more. Pretty happy with how it looks. The camera doesn't do it justice. So that is the rose gold. I am going to be setting it aside and then doing the gold one now. So I'm just gonna take some of the gold, about that much, and if I need more, I'll add more. I'm just gonna add a little tiny bit more. So now is when we add the borax. So let me see if everything is dissolved, and it is. You don't want any of the little granules to still be on your slime when you put it in there, so it is. Now I'm just gonna add a little tiny bit at a time until I get the slime texture that I want. So first I'm gonna do the gold. 1, and then I'll see if that does anything. So immediately you can see it clumping up already. Obviously I need more. 1 more. think maybe one more will do the trick. One more. I don't want to add more borax. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more water. That is way better. I don't know if adding the Borax right now would be a good idea, but I would like more gold in it. I might just go ahead and take a piece. How about that? I'm gonna take a piece of it, experiment with this one, and maybe add a different type of gold. Maybe some of the Aztec and solar gold. You don't have to. I'm just doing it because I wanted a little bit more gold. Whoopsies. So if I mess up, it's okay because you guys don't have to. That looks cool. Hopefully this makes it look more gold. As of now it looks more gold, but let's check it out. Okay, great. I am happy that you can add it after. And now that I've done so, I will add it here.
So here it is, all mixed. As you can see, it looks pretty gold now. I'm happy with that.
To store it, I just put it in a little Ziploc sandwich bag. You could do that or actually have little containers. I don't have those now, but I'm just gonna save them here. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the rose gold. So I'm just gonna add one at a time like before. Just gonna stir it up. The other one took 3, so maybe this one would also take 3. The good thing is that you don't have to throw away your mixture. You could just put it in a water bottle and have it ready for next your next slime projects. So that's good. That's what I'm gonna do. You know what? I'm gonna add a little bit of the mixture. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and add the whole mixture. Might as well. I already have it. Why not? And a little bit more water. I'm pretty happy. I wasn't really sure if it was gonna work with the Borax, but it did. Awesome. Okay guys, so here they are. Stretch them out. And I looked at the glue bottle and it had some extra, so I decided to make this green and blue mix. It came out pretty cool. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. I know I did. And if you guys have any suggestions or comments, just leave them down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!